Arts for Adults is a new concept in art play which combines making art with a bit of exercise to stimulate our creative process. This will take place at the Senior Center in Fort Bragg. Anyone over 21 is welcome, and as are all skill levels. We will work from still life and imagination. Artists will bring their own supplies and some will be supplied. We will use water-based paints. Here's a word about the teachers. Carol Deach is a graduate of the University of Louisville with a master's degree from Rhode Island School of Design. She has taught at College of the Redwoods and the Mendocino Arts Center. Cecile Cutler, that's me, has had art instruction at Cooper Union in New York and the Mendocino Arts Center, as well as study with James Maxwell. I have taught at the College of the Redwoods and Glass Beach in Fort Bragg. Thank you for listening. Please come to our class.